Did you know your fat cells are actually trying to save your life every single day? Hi, we're your adipose tissue, and we're tired of being the villain in your story. We're not just here to make your genes tight. We're your body's emergency savings account, your personal heater, and your hormone factory, all rolled into one. Our brown fat cells work overtime burning calories to keep you warm, while our white fat cells store energy for when you really need it. We produce leptin to tell your brain when you're full and adiponectin to keep your blood sugar stable. We cushion your organs from impact and constantly chat with your brain about your energy levels. But here's what breaks our hearts. When you crash diet, you force us into panic mode. We think you're starving, so we slow everything down. When you're stressed, we desperately store fat around your middle to protect you. Please, work with us, not against us. Eat well, move regularly, manage stress. We promise we'll take care of you if you take care of us.